Good morning, dear students. In today's class, we'll see the continuation of partial differential equation. In this, we'll see the solution of Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. This is one more form from where we can get again a solution of given partial differential equation. So this Lagrange's linear partial differential equation having a standard form capital P of small p plus capital Q of small q is equal to capital R. So this formation is going to called as a Lagrange's linear partial differential equation form. A linear partial differential equation of the first order, commonly known as Lagrange's equation of the form. So here P, capital Q, capital R, all are capitals, are function of small x, small y and small z. Then if it is in the form of PP plus QQ is equal to R, then we can write an auxiliary equation. We call this also auxiliary equation as dx upon capital P is equal to dy upon capital Q is equal to dz upon capital R, which gives, so after given this, it is one of the equation which can be converted in terms of this auxiliary equation, and from this we can find a complete solution. So what is the rule, working rule of this Lagrange's linear partial differential equation is, so first, so they will give a equation, then that equation we need to convert in the form of what here, dx upon p, dy upon q and dz upon r. So once we convert, so we need to choose for any two, either first two pairs. See how I have taken here. So consider a pair or combination that it should be integral, means we have to choose pairs, means two pairs in such a way that should be easily integrable. So for example, we can choose as a dx upon p is equal to dy upon q as one pair and we can integrate, or we can choose second and third, or we can choose third and first, or first and third, and from that we can get a solution of that. So sometimes what happens here, so after choosing also the given pairs will be not possible to integrate. So at that time we need to apply one of the concept we called multipliers. We have to choose a multipliers. So we'll see that how to choose the multipliers and all in a particular examples only.